Mr. President, good afternoon, esteemed colleagues. In the Senate today, I submit to this chamber Committee Report number 280, sponsoring herewith Senate Bill 2766, an act prohibiting discrimination on the basis of protected attributes, providing penalties therefore and for other purposes. This measure aims to address all forms of discrimination and violence, thereby promoting human dignity and equality among all, regardless of age, indigenous origin, racial or ethnic origin, religious belief or activity, political inclination or conviction, social class, sex, gender, sexual orientation, sex characteristics, gender identity, gender expression, marital relationship status, disability, HIV status, profession or occupation, health status or medical history, language, physical features, or other status. Despite having various anti-discrimination laws in our country, discriminatory practice persists. They are not merely a social issue, but a profound injustice affecting every aspect of our lives, from our workplace to our communities, and even within our homes. Until today, thousands of Filipinos remain victims of misunderstanding and ignorance. For discrimination can be overt or subtle, personal or institutional, but its impact is always deeply felt. Today, we stand united with the rest of the world in our commitment to eradicating discrimination in all its forms. The United Nations has urged all its member states to prioritize their respective comprehensive anti-discrimination legislation. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights opens with the proclamation that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and in rights, a collective statement in December 2022 before the 74th anniversary of the Declaration. Our campaign against discrimination is more than just a series of events or social initiatives. It is a powerful declaration that we refuse to accept a world where people are judged and mistreated by reason of the color of their skin, their gender, sexual orientation, age, profession, marital or relationship status, disability, or any other aspect of their identity. Discrimination in all its forms is a violation of human dignity and an impediment to the true equality enshrined in our own Constitution. But our battle versus discrimination is not about assigning blame or pointing fingers. It is about creating a future where every person is valued and respected. It is about acknowledging the rich diversity which makes us stronger, more innovative, more compassionate as a society. For to eliminate discrimination, we must start within ourselves by committing to educate one another about its many forms. Awareness is the first step towards positive change. By understanding the challenges encountered by the marginalized groups, we too can be their allies and their advocates. Sa ating pag-usad tungo sa isang makatarungan at pantay na lipunan, mahalaga na tayo magtaguyod ng pagmamahal at pag-unawa sa bawat isa. Alalahanin natin ang pangarap ni Martin Luther King Jr. para sa kanyang mga anak at kauri na sana'y dumating ang araw na sila'y hindi huhusgahan base sa kulay ng kanilang balat, kundi sa nilalaman ng kanilang pagkatao. Ayon naman kay Nelson Mandela, walang sino man ang ipinanganak na may galit sa puso. Natutunan natin ito mula sa lipunan, kung kaya't maari rin natin matutunan ang pagmamahal dahil ito'y nagbukal mula sa ating mga puso. The proposed measure provides for prohibited acts such as inflicting stigma and inciting violence or sexual abuse, and denying rights on the basis of the protected attributes of age, culture, indigenous, racial or ethnic origin, religious belief or activity, political inclination or conviction, social class, sex, gender, sexual orientation, sex characteristics, gender identity, gender expression, marital or relationship status, disability, HIV status, profession or occupation, health status, language, physical features, employment status, maternity, pregnancy, educational attainment, deprivation of liberty, former incarceration, internal displacement, refugee status, statelessness, or other status. This measure prohibits discrimination of an individual based merely on the aforementioned attributes. The World Bank also asserts that social inclusion is not only the right thing to do, but also it makes good economic sense. Left unaddressed, the exclusion of disadvantaged groups can be costly. Most commonly measured impacts include the loss of wages, lifetime earnings, poor education and employment outcomes, not to mention the physical and mental health costs to the victims of discrimination. Senate Bill number 2766 also provides for programs to promote diversity, equity, and inclusion, such as education and training programs. Our journey towards a more equitable society requires collective action. It demands that we challenge our own biases and hold ourselves accountable. It calls upon us to be courageous in our pursuit of justice, even when it is difficult, disturbing, or potentially even dangerous. Sa ating mga tahanan, paaralan at mga opisina, nagsisimula ang pagkilala sa mga karapatan ng bawat tao. Dito tayo nagsisikap na makamit ang pantay na hustisya at dignidad para sa lahat. Ang mga hakbang na ito sa ating mga komunidad ay mahalaga upang matyak ang progreso sa mas malawak na mundo. Our campaign is a call to action for everyone who believes in a world where each human being is treated with dignity and with respect. It is a reminder that the fight against discrimination is ongoing and our commitment to justice must be unwavering. It is a reminder that we should never reject or deny another individual's humanity. Tulad ng sinabi ni Malala Yousafzai, tinatawagan natin ang lahat na maging mapagparaya at itakwil ang anumang anyo ng diskriminasyon. Hindi tayo maaring magtagumpay bilang isang bansa kung ang marami sa atin ay patuloy na sinisiil at ginigipit dahil lamang sa kanilang uri. Kaya't sa ilalim ng aking panukalang batas, tayo ay nagkakaisa upang labanan ang diskriminasyon sa anumang anyo, upang ang bawat Pilipino, anuman ang kanilang pagkakakilanlan, ay makaranas ng kalayaan, pagkakapantay-pantay at higit sa lahat ng ating pagmamahal. Naway sang-ayunan ang Senate Bill number 2766 ng aking mga mahal na kasamahan sa Senado. Maraming salamat.